In 1976, Congress enacted the Hyde Amendment, a law that prohibits the use of taxpayer money for abortion except in the case of rape, incest, or when a mother's life is at stake. Until recently, the Hyde Amendment had bipartisan support, with Democrats, including President Obama, backing the measure.
We're not looking to change what is a core principle that has been in place for a very long time, which is federal dollars are not used to subsidize abortions.
But recently, that landscape has shifted, and some Americans have come to question whether taxpayer money should be allowed to be used to fund abortions.
It is the law of the land, and that's the way it is. We've already decided this issue, right? Roe versus Wade.
At this year's Democratic National Convention in Philadelphia, the party platform no longer called for abortion to be safe, legal, and rare, as it once did back in 2004. Instead, Democrats officially called to repeal the 40-year-old Hyde Amendment, and voters on the street appeared to welcome that change.
I do. I think it impacts all of us. I think even though it's a personal thing that happens to people, but I think we still are responsible for one another. We should help each other, and I definitely think it should come from taxpayers' money.
I think that your income should not affect your ability to have an abortion. Yeah, I mean, it's a health issue like anything else. I don't know why you'd exclude it from, why you'd exclude that from something else you're paying for. I mean, people should have health insurance, and if they have it, abortion should be covered because it's a legal medical procedure.
If that's her choice, then she should be given the opportunity to access that service by whatever means are necessary and available to her.
But while the party might appear united on this issue, recent polling suggests otherwise, with 44% of Democrats opposing federal funding for abortions. This split is even more apparent in the party's leadership, with Democratic presidential nominee Hillary Clinton calling to repeal the Hyde Amendment and her running mate, Tim Kaine, still personally supporting it.
I have been for the Hyde Amendment. I haven't changed my position on that.
Whatever happens in the next 4 years, it's likely that when it comes to the issue of abortion, the question of public funding will be front and center. What do you think? Head to dailysignal.com to share your thoughts.